Good morning, one and all. I'm Samhita from Sri Durga Malleswara Siddhartha Mahila Kalashala, Vijayawada, pursuing third CSCS. Today, we are here to conduct a session on behalf of Sri Durga Malleswara Siddhartha Mahila Kalashala and Solite Student Chapter. Today, my friend Anuradha is going to give a talk on pride and property. Over to you, Anuradha.
Myself, Anuradha. Now I am going to explain about the project I have done. Our project is Pride and Property, is based on real estate. This website is very helpful for the people who want to buy or sell their property. I have done our project in IntelliJ application. We created entities, controller, repositories, and services. Entities. Entities in JPA represents a table in a relational database schema. The entities in our project is user entity, Here the columns are email, password, phone number, address, and the user type. And the property entity, the columns in the property entity are property name, address, city, price, owner name, phone number, area in square feet, and the image URL. Repository. A repository is used to interact with the database. It provides a method for performing create, post, update, delete, and operations. The repositories are user repository and the property repository. Services. It represents a layer of our applications responsible for carrying out business logic. Authentication service. Here I created JWT code and including other details to claim such as email, user type, user ID. Controller. A controller in a Spring Boot application is a Java class that handles incoming HTTP request and returns a response. In property controller, the API is used to create property. The post is used for creating user and get is for retrieving all the user's details and put is used for updating the user details and delete is used for deleting the user. In the same way, in property controller, we can create property. Only the seller can only create the property. The buyer cannot create the property. And input, he can update the property details. We can get property by entering the city name. We can also delete the property when it is sold. Now I'm going to execute my project. This is my home page. Find your dream property. The values we give are the best interest rate on the market, best prices on the market, security on your data. The properties are flat, land, houses. We have a variety of flats, lands, and houses available for sale. You can also contact us. This is the registration form. The admin cannot create the property. He can only get all the users. He can also see the properties list from different places. We can also get property by entering the city name. Now I am going to create property. What is that? And the address is the road. Vada. And the city name is Vijayawada. Owner name Pujita. Phone number. Now we can get property by entering city name. And we can see all properties list from different places. This is my PPT based on my project Pride and Property. In our website, a customer can upload any property like house, flat, land by providing details, information for buying and selling purpose. For that, he should register or sign in into our website for seller. The seller provides every detail about the property and about him, which is easy for buyer to communicate with. The customer who want to buy a property should register or sign in as a buyer. The buyer can see the complete information about the property, such as flat, house, land, and buyer can get the details of the seller and contact him directly and communicate. The project details. We have used Spring Boot IntelliJ edition 24.2.0.1 application for developing the real estate project. We created APIs and tested them in Postman applications, and the tables we have created are seen in PG admin application. This app is useful to view the users list and the properties list by using the query tool. The front end and back end technologies are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and the back end is Spring Boot Java. The land. Whether you are searching for a countryside retreat or a prime location in a heart of the city, the houses we buy and sell the houses only flats. We'd like to sell flats in our website and communicate with the buyer directly by providing your information to us. So the owner of the property can easily sell to the customer. The listing, property details, and the specifications. Land details. The customer can visit our website for more details about the land measurements. We provide the land with minimum 9 square feet to maximum based on the needs of the customer. Thank you, Sri Durga Malleswara Siddhartha Mahila Kalashala for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Anuradha, for wonderful session. If you have any queries, you can please ask Anuradha. Thank you.